Hey, Bison Band. This is the second activity in your tutorial level for your ToneSavvy challenges. Now, I want you to start with the identifier naming the lines of your music staff first. I take a lot of time to really break down how you're supposed to read through your instructions. I'm not going to do as lengthy of a talk through for this one. So make sure you start with the lines of the music staff first. Okay, so if I look here, I see I got no time limit. I have 30 correct. 10 errors allowed, 10 hints. That's the same as our last one. So same expectations here for getting a completed score on this. And then for here, I put in a little hint here from the bottom to the top. Our spaces are all cows eat grass. So you can think about that as you're identifying the spaces of your music staff today. As always, remember that you need to be using submit results if completed successfully, or submit best effort if you have to stop before it's completed all the way. For example, if you went over the number of errors allowed, keep sending me those results so I can see you grow. That's how I'm grading, is that progress, and those completions are very important. And in your scoring for your game. Scrolling down here, let's do a couple of these together. Okay, so in these spaces of our music staff, remember I can go all cows eat grass, and I have a C right here. So I'm going to use my keyboard pressing C. Now remember, for this, all cows eat grass. I go here for E. I can also click on the tile down there for that answer. If I want to use a hint, the nice thing with the spaces is that the hints line up very well with our spaces. G scrolls all the way over. It shares the same space. So I would answer G. Keep track of your number completed. If you have 30 completed with 10 or fewer errors, the exercise will automatically end, and then you just have to hit submit results. If you go over those 10 errors, make sure you use submit best effort so I get those, and keep track because you only have 10 hints that you can use for this activity. If you have questions beyond what you see in this video, you can visit my office hours Monday through Thursday. There's also a Google form in your Google Classroom that you can make a support request through, and then I will get back in touch with you and I will answer your question that way. That way I can keep track of all the questions that I get. There's a video in your Google Classroom that will show you how to do that. So good luck, Bison.